Hi everyone, I'm Vilhelm.
And I'm Axel, and we are freelance journalists, and the idea of this channel is to take you along on our trips that we do abroad.
Yeah, and first up's Burma.
So we're in Burma. We are in KACHIN state, which is in the north of Burma, pretty close to the Chinese border. It's about 500 meters that way. We're in rebel territory. This is the headquarters of Kachin Independence Army 3rd Brigade. And we're here covering the civil war between ethnic armed groups and the Burma army. There's been an increase in fighting over the last few months, and we're here to cover some of the consequences of that fighting. And this has been our first day, which has turned out to be pretty eventful.
I think it's in the bamboo tree.
What happened, Villa?
We did an automated drone shot, and the drone got stuck in the top of a huge bamboo tree. Nice.
Ah, nice.
Fantastic.
How's it looking?
Okay. There's some leaves stuck in here, some grass. And it seems to be fine. Yeah. Yeah, it got stuck up in the tree.
Yeah, that's...
To remind me. That's amazing, it's actually working too.
A good, productive first day.
Yeah, definitely. Yeah.
Oh, there's a chicken here.
It's a chicken.
And tomorrow we'll head up to another rebel headquarters in a town called Liza. And it's about how long is the drive? 7?
I don't know. Laring, how long is the drive to Liza?
Maybe 5 hours.
5
Okay.
hours.
Yeah.
So, yeah, it's going to be a bumpy ride.
Yeah, more on that in another episode.
More
I
on
guess.
that.
Thanks for watching. Subscribe here and do the other. Look at the other thing here.
Please do. Please do.
Ja, jävligt lång prata.
Wait.